Here's the shortcut in Microsoft Word for subscripts and superscripts. You highlight the text like this, hold down Ctrl, and hit plus. That gives you the subscript. Subscripts are like submarines. They go beneath. Let's do another one. We highlight the text, hold down Ctrl, hit plus, and we have our subscript. If you forget the shortcut for subscript, you can highlight the text. Up in the menu bar, you see the subscript here. That works too. For superscript, like Superman flying above, highlight the text. Essentially, we just hold Ctrl Shift plus. That gives us our superscript. One more time. Highlight the text, hold Ctrl Shift, and then hit plus, and you have your superscript. If you forget the shortcut for superscript, highlight the text, and you can use the menu bar as well. One last thing. This is a big time saver. If you highlight the text and then hold the Control key, you can highlight other text. Now, Control Shift plus, and it does all of them. Let's watch that again. Highlight the text, hit Control, highlight the rest of the text you want to have as a superscript, hit our shortcut, Control Shift plus, we have it all. If you want to ever send these back the other way, just hit the same shortcut and they'll go back. Dr. B looking at the shortcut for subscript and superscript in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.